So that's what we've built completely without any code or anything like that. The one last thing that I do want to show you is once we've got that open and we've got that launched, with the help of a developer, what you can do is really quickly build what's called a theme. So you can click on settings, have a developer build a theme, and then you're going to come to the theme component. You will come to configure, you will go to your default layout, click the edit, and here you can choose a different theme. It will apply to all pages of the community, but it will not change any of the functionality. Oh, I needed to publish it, sorry. So let's go to the home page. So you've got a nice big theme there. Let's go back into this rich content editor because we don't need to do this twice. And we'll add a different image in. And we'll publish that. And when we go and look at our community, it's now a pretty custom community. All of the same functionality exists. It's very visual. We've got a side menu that is working off of the navigational menu that we created. Our search functionality will continue to work. We still have the same user controls, and we can still go anywhere we had been going before to get any of the information that we had been looking for before.